Hello, here I am again with lesson 3.3. I just want to go through a few more problems, maybe have your kiddo just look at these and kind of talk about them as a family. So I'm going to break apart my 5 so I can turn my 8 into a 10. I know that 8 needs 2 more to make a 10, but I'm not finished. I have to figure out what can I put with 2 that will make 5, and that's 3. Okay, so I've made my 10. 8 plus 2 is 10, so that's where that 10 comes from. The number that is outside of this circle is 3, so I put the 3 there. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 5 plus 8 is 13. For this example, the book decided to tell us which number we were going to break down. So we have to turn the 9 into a 10. So we're going to break down the 4. We need to put a 1 with the 9 to make it a 10. But we're not finished because we have to figure out what plus 1 equals 4. Well, I know that 3 plus 1 equals 4. So I've done the hard part. I've made my 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. That's where that 10 comes from. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 4 plus 9 is 13. All right, now we have the number sentence 8 plus 6. And 8 is closer to 10, so I'm going to break down my 6 so I can turn my 8 into a 10. I know that if I have 8, I need to put 2 more with it to make a 10. But I can't stop there. I've got to figure out what can I put with 2 that will make 6. And that's 4. Okay, so I've made my 10. There's my 10. 4 is left outside the circle, so 4 goes there. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 8 plus 6 is 14. Whoops, sorry, that was a wonky 4. Okay, so again, the book wants us to break down a number, but this time it chose for us to break down the large number, which I like because that way the students can know it really doesn't matter which number you choose to break down, you'll still get the same answer. So if I were looking at this problem and doing it by myself, I would want to break down the 5. But like I said, they made that choice for me. So I have to figure out what can I put with 5 that will make a 10. And hey, that's a doubles fact. I know 5 plus 5 equals 10. But don't forget the next step. It's important. I have to figure out what can I put with 5 that would make 9. That's 4. Okay, so I've made my 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 4 is outside the circle, so I write 4 down. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 5 plus 9 is 14.